What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another solo hike adventure. Today we are at Stinging Fork Falls State Natural Area. So we're gonna go to this waterfall. There's supposedly a nice little waterfall. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too big, but apparently it flows pretty well. And there's also a swimming hole. And today's actually pretty warm. I mean, not like California, Hawaii warm, but like it's like in the high 60s today. So I might get in the water because there is a swimming like little area, and I did bring extra clothes. So depending how I feel, I might go get in the water. So without further ado, let's freaking get this, because the area right around here is gorgeous. It's like, I'll just have to show you. It's beautiful. So let me get out, show you where the parking spot looks like, and get on the trail and get going. It's a gorgeous day today. Like, not a cloud in the sky, which is kind of wild because it was raining earlier this morning, but it is beautiful. There's only like 2 other cars here, so it shouldn't be that crowded today. But the scenery, already beautiful. So let's keep going. The scenery right now, it's really a lot of dead trees, but you can kind of tell some greenery starting to grow back very slowly, because they're about to be in March pretty soon. The green is going to come in, but as of right now, still a lot of dead trees. Actually starting to go downhill now, so scenery is beautiful as always. Look how vibrant the green's coming in. There's so much moss everywhere too. It's wild. It's so nice to see. Look at this. Beautiful. So gorgeous. And there's the river down there. Made it to the top, I think. So this is the top of it. The falls go down that way, but this is like toward the top. Pretty beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. It's like wraps around that way. It curves. Beautiful. All right, waterfall's down there. You can see it. I'll make my way down there. There's a spot to go to the top, but I'm gonna wait until I get back to go towards the top of it. But it's a beautiful area. It's so gorgeous. Let's make our way down to the bottom. One thing about this trail because these rocks are fucking slippery. Almost slipped several times, but we're almost there to the very bottom. It like wraps all the way around the mountain to get you to like the very bottom, so you can like safely go down. There's other little cutoffs that went to the bottom faster, but I just want to get the full trail experience before I use the shortcuts. Now we made it by the river. Look at this. There's a trail down there. Stunning views. Whoa. Update. We made it to the end. It's absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful spot. I think I am gonna go in. I think I'm gonna go in and go in there and go swimming. I want to see how cold it is though first, but I think I am. Okay, so I have my feet in. I changed clothes. I think I'm gonna get in though. It's a little chilly, but I gotta change the clothes and we'll be all right. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro for this one though. So let's freaking do this. All right, I'm going in, dude. I am pale. I need some sun, but here we go. Let me get to a spot where I can hold and enter at the same time. All right. This is gonna be cold. There's a shit ton of people coming too. All right. The countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holy, oh my God. That's cold. That's cold. That's cold. Look how thick it is though. I don't know how long I can stay here for though. It's freezing. Alright. One last dip. It's getting cold. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Okay, update here. So, got my clothes on. I had to rush to get ready because there's this huge group of girls just pulled up as I was changing, so I had to like quickly get ready. Luckily I like scrambled, got all my stuff in time just in time as they got there. Oh, that was funny. They asked me to take a picture of the group and stuff. Good, funny, comedic timing though. Oh, this is a nice shot. I'm gonna take a little stop right here and get a nice little video. Okay, now I'm making my way back. Man, that cold plunge was sick. Absolutely sick. It felt really good. I mean, it was cold. It was cold as hell, but it was sick. So now I'm gonna try to get to the top of the falls and just get a nice little view down of it. Because I'm pretty sure you can get down towards the top of it and look down. So that's where I'm going to next. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going back up. There wasn't really a good view from the top. I mean, there was, but there wasn't. So we're leaving. There it is. There's the waterfall down there. Man, what a beautiful spot. Really nice cold plunge too. That was awesome. So let's I'm gonna head back. There was this little trail that was going towards like the cliffside, and apparently it's some viewpoint, so I'm gonna go check that out too. But let's go. Whew. I made it to the end of this. I think it's called like the Indian Bluff Trail. These are the views. Ooh. It's beautiful. All right, beautiful trail. I'm getting hungry though, getting a little thirsty. So time to head back and finish this trail up and get some food. Beautiful though. Man, what a day. Man, that cold plunge has me feeling so good. That's why cold plunges are great. They don't feel good in the moment, but afterwards you just feel like, I love it. I love it. I need to get a cold plunge. But let's go. All right, made it back to the car. Man, what a awesome freaking trail that was. The waterfall, beautiful. The cold plunge I took, amazing. The greenery that was down there too, like it's getting nice and green down there. It's next level. And the scenery, like too, where I'm parking at, like it's just like wide open mountains and you can see the valley. It's just gorgeous, and I couldn't ask for a better day. Like literally it's like probably mid 60s, and I think in 2 days it's going to be dropped down all the way like down to 30 degrees, which is kind of crazy. But man, awesome day. But I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to go get some food. So if you made it to the end, I hope you enjoyed. Definitely recommend Stinging Fork Falls because it is awesome. Very short, easy hike. But other than that, guys, hope you have an amazing freaking day, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.